Now, creating a vocalese pattern using the 5-tone major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, we can start our metronome. I use Soundbrenner, and it's just an app that you can download free, and it looks like so. There we go. If you can see that, it'll have your BPMs, your beats per minute, and it will even indicate, I don't know if you can see that, it says andante moderato. Sounds like this. So once you have your steady meter, your time meter, in this case we're doing 4/4, and you can see the little 4/4 icon there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use my solfeggio pattern, whether it's the major triad, the full octave solfeggio, the 5-tone major solfeggio, or the full 8-tone solfeggio singing the full octave. I can select a vowel format, either a, e, o, u, and generally place a consonant in front of it. I like PR, pra, so you can go pra, pre, pri, pro, pru. I have it set at 81, which is an andantino. Our tonal center. Do, our tempo. 1, 2, 3, breathe. Pra, 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 pra. So what I would do is ascend a half step and descend a half step. So I'll be doing something like this. And then descending down. As we do the selected vocal pattern that we've chosen. Now we'll try a major triad vocalese. Get our tempo set up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our tone center. And let's do the major triad. The do, mi, so, mi, do, right? 1, 2, 3, breathe. Do, mi, so, mi, do. 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 Now we can add a vowel format to that. There's our tonic. Do. We'll select a with a PR in front of it. Pra. 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 Now we can also do the full octave arpeggiated solfeggio. Do, mi, so, mi, do. And we'll start our metronome. I have it again set at 81, andantino. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, breathe. Pra, 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 pra. Now, when you get to the top octave, that top note, the eighth tone, the eighth degree, that's when you really want to engage your diaphragmatic breathing and support with your diaphragm. Now we can also use the full 8-tone, 8 degrees solfeggio, do re mi fa sol la ti do, ti la sol fa mi re do, as a vocalese pattern as well. Start our metronome. 2, 3, 4. Right? And so on. Again, you can either ascend chromatically up or chromatically down.